How to change billing address on Amazon. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Amazon account and it will look like this. So on the bottom part, you will see four different options there: the home page, the home option, the profile, the cart option, and the burger sign or the burger option there. So all you have to do is to tap on your profile, and here you will see your orders by again your account and your list. Tap on your account here. Now after tapping on that, what you want to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see account settings there, and you'll see a lot of options. Just go directly to your addresses. There are two options there: add a new address and add a new pickup location. So since we want to change our billing address, so we would like to create another account, another address here, a new address. So you just have to fill in there, or you can, if you're already in the place, then you just tap on use your current location so that it will automatically fill out blanks or your fill out these information. And basically that is how you change billing address on Amazon. And if this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.